Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez, and I would like to speak with you about the difference between the cultures. Okay, in the world there are many and great variety of fantastic culture, each one define their style or tradition. But when I review the video, I think the point is going to the superficial things or material, as if in the United States or in my country we have shower, electricity, processed food, and the other country in the Sudan not. I think that the point in this video is that the the qualities of the person, okay? Because the Sudan boy say, and they work in the street, and many people work outside, but nobody speak with them. And if you are lost in this country, nobody help you, because the people, the American people is extremely individualistic. But in my country, for example, in Colombia, we can help you to the other people when they are lost in the street. Or we had always a smile for the foreign people. And in United States, no. Okay, the Sudan boy say that in his country the people help you and speak with the other, but in the United States no, because they feel alone. Okay, and this is a big problem, because when many people travel to the United States, find a very good opportunity for the life and development, and the others, and the other aspect of state of their life. But the United States people need to work in the human part. Okay, they need more polish and gentle with the people that visit their country. Is my point about this case.